The ERAWAN National Park. This is the car park. We've just got out of the taxi. That's chicken there, yeah, 150 bahts. Probably be electric. Is it electric? Let's go down right by the edge. So there are stairs to climb.
I think they're just cooling off. To be honest, they're just cooling themselves.
Not quite the bridge over the River Kwai, but nevertheless. This is the hello. This is the hotel where we're staying. This is the okay. We're here at the ERAWAN National Park. This is the car park. We've just got out of the taxi. It takes about a 1 hour drive from Kanchanaburi. So we've probably got it a little bit late because it closes at 4 o'clock. I didn't know that. And I was messing about doing some other stuff this morning, so we've not got as much time here as I would have liked, but it is what it is. There's some shops here now, so we're just going to get something to eat and drink to take round with us. Let's see what they've got. There's some, looks like chicken on a stick over there, some snacks, we've got some fruit. What else have they got there? Got some more chicken. What have we got down there? Lots of people here. It is quite warm again. It's about 35 degrees at the moment. So let's see what we can get. Let's get something to eat. Let's see what they've got here. That's chicken there, yeah, 150 bahts. Well, I might have go for a chicken burger there, yeah. Got some bananas. Okay, so we're going a piece of, it's actually grilled chicken, so we got the grilled chicken there. The lady just making a smoothie, a passion fruit smoothie. I've got some water coming as well. Chicken looks good. Yeah, it's chili sauce. Yeah. I'm just gonna tuck into this now and drink my water. Then we'll go and have a look at the waterfalls. So the chicken was really tasty, and as you can see, that's what's left of it. Waterfall straight ahead. And I think it'll probably be electric. Is it electric? I don't think he understands English, but it probably is electric. Yeah, there's 7 waterfalls. I just saw it on the sign there.ชั้น 1ครับผม
เดี๋ยวถ้าหนูจะขึ้นชั้นต่อไปหนูก็เดินหาพี่ครับผม
So they have some life jackets for rent there, 20 baht. I think that's for 2 hours. Then it costs 10 baht per hour extra after that. So here's some of the lower level waterfalls. And it is a little bit cooler here because there's in some dense forest. There's lots of trees. The sun protecting you from the rays of the sun. Sun can't get through. Welfare shop. Oh, that's a cafe. They've called it a welfare shop, which we would call a cafe, I suppose. Well, we would do. Hmm. So we're just going up to level 2 now. So there are stairs to climb. I thought that the buggy was going to take us up to each level, but no, it drives you to the base. Then you have to walk the next level yourself. See, there's level 2, and it's some 40 meters. So level 2 is left, level 3 is straight on. So I think it's just one waterfall, but you go up different heights. So you're seeing it at different stages. Yeah, and you can see there's a higher waterfall here than at the last level. So I'm gonna try and get down there. The thing is, it's okay getting down, it's getting back up. Walk around, yeah. I'm trying to find out the best spot where I can show you the waterfall at its best without having to climb down there. But I don't think that's going to work. So I'm going to struggle down. There's no steps up, as you can see. So I'm going to have to, I'm going to put the camera down for a little bit and go down there. Yeah, and there's a better view of that waterfall now. Actually, some of these fish, I don't know what fish they are, but some of them are quite big. There's some little ones here, look. Yeah, so you can see what the life vests are for now. The water's probably deeper. There's people swimming in there. Alright, so we're just going up to the next one, level 3. It's saying 90 meters. So I don't know if that's the height of the fall is 90 meters or whether we're 90 meters away. I'm not sure. Let's find out. Got some more steps here, look. Not too steep though. Luckily enough, there is some shade with the trees, so it makes it a little bit easier. And there's the bridge. Not quite the bridge over the River Kwai, but nevertheless, it's a bridge, wooden bridge. Hello there. And we're going across the bridge now. There's another waterfall there. I think that's the level 3. And that's looking down the other side.
Now it is level 3, which is we were just at a different viewpoint from it. So there's the actual waterfall. You can see it behind the trees there. And slippery. Yeah, there's the butterflies there. Look, I don't know if you can see them. They're quite big. There's one there. See one. I think they're just cooling off. To be honest, they're just cooling themselves down. Here's the waterfall. Stunning. Nature at its best. Look all the way the trees have grown up there and wrapped themselves around the rock and into the side of it. And there's some of the lower levels there, some of the lower ledges. But the water's flowing through pretty quickly. And there's the natural forest over the background there. In the back. You can see where the water's flowing down to the lower levels. Just under that bridge that I walked across. So these steps up to level number 4, they're quite steep, a lot of them as well, as you can see going down there. So that's quite tiring. And you've got some people as well who are walking down, they're using both sides of the steps, so they don't leave you no room to get by. So anybody would, well, you would think that if you can see people coming up the steps, you just walk in one single file so they can go the other side and walk past you. Okay, so just between level 4 and level 5, you have this viewpoint of the surrounding area. The mountains there. We've got the tropical jungle. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear the crickets, you can hear the crickets in the background. I think they're crickets. So I don't think this is a level 4, this may be the sort of the bottom part to it. But I don't think it's the I don't think it's a level 4 itself. Okay, so this is as far as we've got. So level 5 is up that way there, but you can't go up after 3:30. I think they close at 4:30, you see, so it must take you over an hour to get farther and then back down. And of course they want to get people out. It's 10 to 4 now, so you know that, as you can see there are people just coming down. There's probably, the guards are probably at the top telling them to come down. There's the pool at the bottom. Okay, so we can take a leisurely walk back down. And it will be a leisurely walk as well. So this one, level 4, it's Oak Nang Phi Su. I think it does say something about, there's something in there that means butterfly, which, I mean, you saw all the butterflies. So I did say a leisurely walk coming back. Ooh, look at the steps. Look at those there. And they are the drop on each one. It's quite steep, so they can take you by surprise. Okay. If I'm not careful, I might get quick down to the bottom, quicker than I bargained for. It is peaceful here. You're sort of walking through a lot of nature. What I would recommend is to get here earlier than what we did. About 2 hours here, but really you need at least 4 hours. You could spend a day here really. There's cafes and everything. If you bring your shorts or swimming gear, you could go in the little pools that they have under the waterfalls. So it is a good day out. I would recommend it if you're in the Kanchanaburi area. But like I said, make sure you give yourselves plenty of time. Okay, so we're just back from ERAWAN Waterfalls, and here this is the hello. This is the hotel where we're staying. This is the outdoor restaurant. As you can see, there's the bar, there's the restaurant. We'll probably have our evening meal down there later. And actually, they have actually got a cannabis bar here. And there that is. I don't know how much they are. Let's just have a quick look. So he's open. Yeah, you can see we saw cannabis here. Joint is 150 baht. They have the brownies are 190 baht. There's all the prices there. So the little cannabis bar. This is the street where the hotel is. It's not the main road, but there's a lot of shops down here. There's a pharmacy, massage shop, as you can see off the road. There's a 7-Eleven just down there as well. A couple of ATMs. There you can see the bridge residence. That's where we're staying. That's where we've been staying. So that's the reception there. This is the, you can't really see it, but the indoor breakfast area is there. And you can hire these bikes. They've got bikes for hire. And those are 50 baht for 3 hours, that's good value. There's a big underground car park as well. So we just go up to the room now. That's the restaurant through here. There's nobody in now, so I have done a video of that, but I don't like to take videos when people are eating their food, so just come and show you the restaurant while it's empty. Nice big restaurant. It is air conditioned. There's the bar through there. You've got the fans there as well. You just go up to the lift. That's the reception. Here's the lift. Here's the lift. Here we go.